Hi, hello, autopostingtools.com. Today I want to show you how you can use the Google Image Scraper to make banners for your marketing campaign. So basically we go here on Google Image Scraper and this is going to open this window. And usually this window is combined with the section that ClickBank top products. So whenever you choose a ClickBank product that gives you good offers, this window is going to pop up with the product and with the description and with the URL. In this case, you can promote anything with this URL. So I'm just going to promote HTTP, which basically is for making a website, www.autopostingtools.com, autopostingtools.com. I just put it there. After that, I just click create a tiny URL. So this URL here is the same URL that I have here, but smaller. So this is to keep simple the HTML code and to make it small. So now, when you look on Google Images, you can download the image here. So it's going to show it here. To show it faster, which it takes longer, you have to click this one, or you can not show it. So I'm not going to show it now. I'm going to show it later on, so you see the difference. So this is, if you want to see the images, you click that. If you don't want to see the image, you uncheck that. Then this is the number of the pixels on the width, and this is the number of the pixels on the height that your images are going to have. So usually you have 300 and 250, but if you want something bigger, you can change that. So here you select the format that you want to download. Most of the images that I download are JPEGs, but you could also get PNGs and GIFs. So I just put a JPEG and I put make money banner. I just type that and I click search. Now this is going to go onto Google Images and it's going to download the URLs for those images and it's going to give me all the different URLs into Google Images. As you can see now, it's downloading all the different images. And basically, it gives me also the source code of the image. So let's say if I open my notepad here, I'm going to be able to copy that and put it onto my website. So I select the ones that I want. But first of all, you can select the image, anyone, and you click here view image, and basically it's going to show the image. So you can save the image. If I put save, I save it as money, and then the image is going to be saved on my computer. I can just go and get it. This is the image. So the image is downloaded there. You can download the images as well. So if I get another image, the image, but some URLs are not good, so some you cannot download, but the ones that you can download, they will show up here. So you save that as well. Money 2, money 1. And basically you could open it. So sorry. So well, anyway, the point is that it's safe and you could open it and download it or modify it or whatever. Also, let's say I like this one. I just click copy selected HTML code and my code is right here. So basically I have a link that is going to open in a new window that is going to redirect to my URL that has been changed to a tiny URL. I have the height and the width, and I have the image URL for my image, which would be this one. And if I paste this one onto the internet, I'm going to be able to see, try this HTML. I'm going to be able to see that I have my image here. So I just put see results and my banner is there. Obviously, you have to find images that are square or change the dimensions of this information that you get here. So the width probably is going to be 600 or more, and then you can get your banner on the internet. And if I click on this, it's going to go directly to my website. So this is how the image Google Scraper images works, and you can get it on the link on the description. And thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.